What's up, everybody? So I'm in the Japanese Alps right now, and I wanted to jump on to make a quick video to talk to you. Listen, when I make these videos, I'm not trying to show you how great my life is. That is not my intention in any way. I spent the best part of 10 years thinking that living a full life was getting home from a hard day of work and drinking alcohol. And now look, the reason why I'm making this video is not to show off, is to show you that there is a life outside of alcohol that is amazing. There's a life outside of alcohol where you're fulfilled, where you're living your dream. I don't know what your dream is. Maybe you don't want to go skiing. Maybe for you it's just showing up better for your family. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. The reason why I make these videos is to inspire you, to show you what's possible for your life as well. Because I know for 90% of viewers of this channel, when they stop drinking alcohol, the life of their dreams is a possibility. That is a fact. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because it's not just happened to me. I have seen countless people transform their entire life just through this one simple decision of removing alcohol from their life. It's changed their relationships, it's changed their health, it's changed, their marriages, it's changed their careers, their business, their financial life. This one decision of not drinking alcohol has the power to transform everything. So that's why I'm making this video. I wanted to give you a message, I wanted to check in, and I wanted to let you know that if you're struggling or if you're already on this path, just keep going, right? Because here's the great thing. When you drink alcohol, life is up and down, right? Some days are good, some days are bad. Some days are good, some days are bad. But the problem is that what you don't do is you don't keep stepping one foot in front of the other towards what you really want, right? Rather than going one step, we go 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 3 steps forward, 4 steps back. And progress is hard. I'm not saying it's impossible for you to have a good life. And I'm not saying that you can't drink alcohol and go skiing. I mean, probably almost every single person that goes skiing all day then goes and sits down at the bar and drinks alcohol. Is it a possibility? Yes. However, what I'm trying to say is that when you don't drink, everything's easier, right? Everything's easier. When I'm getting passionate, I'm getting fired up because I just know that this decision was the best decision I've ever made in my life. And this would not be possible right now if it wasn't for that decision. And I just wanted to share it with you, and I wanted to say to you all that I'm grateful. And thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. I'm going back down the mountain now.